Happy Thursday, everyone. This is Mike with Meticulous Detail. You know, we get to work on a lot of really cool new stuff, but sometimes it's nice to work on some older stuff, some really well taken care of stuff, like this C5 Z06 here behind me. This car came in for a full interior, exterior, and engine bay detail, and it looks just absolutely amazing. This one's super low miles and bone stock, minus the Borla exhaust, but that's it. The exterior is absolutely mint, the engine bay looks great, and the interior is all detailed as well. If you've got a garage queen like this one and want it to look its best, give us a call or contact us on our website below.